In this video, we show how to replace riser 4 in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove riser 4 with the cover and riser blanks 3 and 5 removed, lift up on the blue tab to disconnect the cable, and then lift up on the riser to lift it out of the system. To install riser 4, align and lower it into the system, and press down, and then reconnect the data cable. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.